Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I've been super busy with work, but I did want to come by and unbox my FabFitFun Spring 2022 box with you. So let's go ahead and get into the box. And up at the top of the box we have the usual suspects, a sheet of stickers, a discount card, and a copy of the FabFitFun magazine. And excuse the shaking of the camera, I kind of hit it with the box lid when I was opening it. So here we have the stickers, they're definitely spring vibes. Then next up we have the discount card. And I will also leave my link down below that also has a discount. And then here's a copy of the FabFitFun magazine. There's usually some interesting articles in there, as well as a clue for an upcoming season box. Now getting into the main portion of the box here, we'll just get this HelloFresh pamphlet out of the way. Now the first item is a Kate Spade wristlet. I was very excited when I saw this in the offerings. It just looked like the perfect size, and I was right. This is just an outstanding size if you're just running around, going on a walk, going on a small errand where you just need somewhere to put your phone and your keys, maybe a couple dollars. And it's just a really pretty bright pink color. Ignore the piece of glitter that stuck to there. I got it off after. But overall, I'm really impressed with this. It was just right for me. So, Kate Spade wristlet. The next item is one of my surprise picks. For the last two categories, I just let them pick because I wasn't super drawn to any of the offerings. And here we have an eye serum. And it's supposed to be really good for under eye circles, which is excellent because I always have under eye circles. I never get enough sleep. Always busy, always working. So I could definitely use some eye serum. Hopefully it works. And then my second surprise pick is something that should be pretty useful for me. Just get it out of the plastic. And it is a traveling jewelry case. I really love the design, I love the size, and it's just perfect because I do like to wear jewelry, and it has a lot of really good compartments and even a ring area. And it's just right for just a few necklaces and a bracelet and a couple of rings. And that's all I would need for like an overnight trip or a short trip, or even just to go to the gym. So overall with the surprise picks, although nothing jumped out at me when they were offered, I do think that they did a fairly good job of finding something that I would like. Next up is the Shashana Umbrella. I have one of these from a previous season, but I wanted to get another one just so I could give it to someone else in my household who would kind of like the umbrella when I got it the first time around. And it is super cute. It has the cheerful pattern. And as you can see right there on the release there, it says, "Don't rain on my parade." Super cute, and it is something that will really brighten you up on like a gloomy, rainy day. Next up is It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. I've tried one other It's a 10 product before and I liked it. And I've really heard good things about the leave-in conditioner spray. So I was really excited to give this a try, plus I'm all out of leave-in conditioner spray, so it was just good timing. And then the last item in the box is a robe. It's just this pretty floral patterned robe. And I'll bring it out of the plastic so you can see. I heard mixed reviews on it, but it'll be just fine for what I need it for, which is either like as a cover-up outside, Like if you're swimming or something, you just need something quick to throw on. Or just to run between the bathroom and my bedroom, or to throw on over my pajamas in the morning. It's pretty multi-purpose, and the floral pattern is really pretty. And it's got a really nice light pink trim around the neckline and down the front. And then it comes down to the belt. It's just really nice. They had this in the navy pattern. I was kind of torn, but I'm glad I went with this one because I just like the look of it. It does really feel like spring. So there you have it. That was my Spring 2022 box. This time around, I really tried to pick choices that were something that I would use on a day-to-day basis. I did also choose a lot of add-ons and one mystery bundle to go with this, and I will be showing those in future videos. Hopefully sometime later this week. I'll just lay everything else out to go over it one more time. So I would have to say each and every one of these things I will be able to use on a regular basis. And I'm super happy with all of them, which is not always the case every season, but this season was definitely a good one. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Do come back and check out my add-on video and my mystery bundle video, which will be up later this week. I've also got one scheduled, which was a mystery bundle from my last sale that I bought from, and I just never got a chance to put it up, so that'll be coming up soon as well. Have a great night and take care.